Welcome everyone, it's Sherry Carroll for SimonsStamp.com, and I'm here to reveal the latest card kit, and this one is called Chunky Thankful Greetings. This is the 6x8 stamp set, and it is designed by our fabulous CZ Designs, and it contains a really large thankful message and also some sub-messages. So some of those sub-messages that you can see are "We are so thankful," "I am so thankful," "Feeling very thankful," and then below, "For you and for us." There are also some flowers and greens, and these are indexed on the label sheet, and they're really easy to follow. There's only 2 steps to each of these flowers, and then it has some greens and leaves that you can mix and match with your flowers. There are also some greetings at the bottom, and they are "For your support," "For your friendship," "Thank you for your kindness during this difficult time," "Thank you for knowing exactly what I need," "Thank you for your thoughtful gift," and "Thank you for all of your help." This is a great stamp set for all year round. You can change up your colors for spring cards, summer cards, or even fall cards. We're also including the Simon Says Stamp Rose-Winged Butterfly die, and this measures about 3 inches, might be a little bit more, and it's really an intricate die. You can cut these with your favorite foil papers or even cardstocks, and even though it's so intricate, it'll cut beautifully with any of your papers. Up next is the Simon Says Stamp Butterfly Burst embossing folder, and this creates a beautiful burst of butterflies on the entire card front, and it'll go really nice with your rose-wing butterfly die. Embossing folders are really easy to use. All you need to do is slide in your card front into the folder and then run it through your die cut machine using the recommended sandwich for your die cut machine for 3D folders. We have a new embellishment mix for you, and this is the Simon Says Stamp Northern Lights. They are clear, iridescent confetti, which are perfect for your shaker cards, but they give off those purple and blue and sometimes green hues when the light reflects. You'll also receive 6 of our Simon Says Stamp A2 clear acetate cards. If you've never used them, this is a really great time to check them out, especially in a card kit. And we have some examples later to show you how to use them. These can be decorated on the front, and then you can slide some paper underneath to include a message, and they're just a really fun way to do some layering without the mess. So you will get 6 of these cards, and they are pre-scored for your convenience. You'll also receive one of our Simon Says Stamp craft glue stick. To advance the glue, just twist the bottom and then return it down before capping it tightly. We have some 6x6 papers for you. There are 6 in total. This first sheet contains flowers and a book with that really pretty sky blue in the back, and then a purple distressed look with the book and flowers kind of towards the center. The next sheet has a yellowish blue background, and it also has a little bird on a garden wagon, some flowers around the side, and that beautiful tree to the left. And on the back is a distressed looking pink with some really faint text in the center and then those flowers surrounding the whole piece. This next sheet features a greenhouse and a cute little bicycle at the bottom with some flowers off to each side of the papers to frame the piece. And the back side features a little bit of distressing with some flowers and script, and it has that beautiful sky blue background. This next sheet features some wooden pink background with some flowers and text on the sides, and also a little bit of script in the center. And on the back side, it has strips of flowers and birds on a background of pale yellow. This next sheet is one of my favorites with that rusty orange at the top with the flowers in between the green at the bottom. And on the back side, it has those same colors, but it has more of those small flowers scattered around to fill the page. And this last sheet has a pale yellow background with some flowers and a cute little bird down at the bottom of the corner. And on the flip side is this beautiful butterfly with the purples and blues and flowers coming out from the lower wings. We have a couple specialty papers for you. First is a half sheet of the 40-pound Simon Says Stamp vellum. And you can use this for like white embossing or even with your embossing folders and your die. We're also including one sheet of the Tim Holtz Ideology metallic cardstock, and your colors will vary, but this is a really beautiful reflected cardstock, and it will also work really great with your embossing folder or your die. Another fun item that we're including are three of the American tags. These are the white tags, and they're a number 8 size. And these go really perfectly if you wanted to use them with that large thankful from your stamp set. It will fit just perfectly across if you do your tag in a horizontal direction. You'll also receive three 8.5 by 11 cardstocks. First, we have 100-pound cotton candy. We also have 100-pound lemon chiffon, and then the 110-pound Nina Solar White. And to finish this card kit off, you'll also receive one of our zipper bags. These have a really nice heavy-duty zipper, and it's large enough to fit your cardstock and entire kit if you wanted to take your kit on the go. Before I get to the inspiration, I also wanted to show you that we do have available for a separate purchase the die set that matches the stamp set. This die set matches up with your stamps perfectly, so you can cut out that beautiful thankful just by matching it up and cutting it out. It does include all the flowers and the stems, all except for those small messages that can be cut using your trimmer or scissors for an easy cut. I do have a link below on how to purchase the dies so you can get everything all together. So that's it for my reveal portion, and up next I have some inspiration from our designers. I've created a card where I have used white StazOn and stamped that thankful on top of the acetate. Then I die cut from vellum the outside line of the thankful, and then I stamped some little flowers and tucked them in between the acetate and the vellum from behind, and then I tied a little twine bow around the bottom. Callie created this gorgeous card by using the embossing folder with that butterfly background paper, and then she rubbed white ink over the top so those butterflies would pop out from the paper, and she used the rosewing butterfly with the metallic cardstock as a focal point on top. Susan Opal created a tag using those American Crafts tags. She covered it with paper and then cut out some of those flowers and added a "For You" for her message. I hope you've enjoyed the reveal and inspiration for our Chunky Thankful Greetings card kit. I do have links below for how to purchase this kit, that set of dies that I talked about, and also a link to our blog post with more inspiration. And as always, thanks so much for watching.
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.